Hello, and welcome to this brief video tutorial on how to use the digital zoom feature to assist in the image alignment of your Epson projector. Today, I will be demonstrating using the Epson PowerLight 810E. First, I will explain what digital zoom is. Digital zoom allows you to digitally reduce your overall image size by as much as 40% without moving the projector. Once the image has been reduced, you can then adjust the image vertically and horizontally within the raster area to the desired location. This feature is most valuable when you have an existing screen that you want to align the image to. In this case, you can start by having the image overshoot your screen and then use digital zoom to reduce and move the image within the borders of your screen. Let's get started. To access the digital zoom feature, you press the menu button on the remote control or the projector control panel. Next, navigate to the Installation tab shown on the far right and press Enter. This will highlight the sub-menu items related to installation. Next, navigate down to Digital Zoom and press Enter. Here you can use the left and right arrows on the remote or the control panel to digitally reduce or enlarge the image. By pressing the right arrow, I reduce the image. You can see this happening as the indicator moves towards the tele side of the settings. With each press of the arrow button, the image is reduced slightly. When you get to the desired size, you can exit the screen by selecting Return. At this point, if you'd like to move the location of the image, you can do so by selecting Image Shift. Once I've entered Image Shift, I see a secondary screen that indicates the current location of the image within the overall projected raster. By pressing the left or right or up and down arrows on the remote, you can see the image shift. You can continue to do so until your image is aligned within the screen or board. I hope you found this video useful in simplifying your installation. If you have additional questions, please reach out to your Epson support representative or your Epson sales representative, as we're always here to help. Thanks again for taking the time to watch, and thank you for choosing Epson.